In this video, we'll explore the amazing health benefits of dark chocolate that might surprise you. So stick around till the end to discover why chocolate can be a health-boosting superfood if consumed the right way. Today, we're diving into one of your favorite topics, chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. A treat loved by millions worldwide. But did you know it's more than just a guilty pleasure? Is chocolate really healthy? Let's clear up a common misconception. Many people think chocolate causes weight gain, dehydration, and obesity. While overindulgence can have negative effects, moderate consumption of dark chocolate offers incredible benefits for your body. Curious? Let's dive into the facts. What makes dark chocolate special? Dark chocolate is packed with nutrients. Did you know that just 100 grams of dark chocolate contains 11 grams of fiber for better digestion? 67% of your daily iron needs to keep energy levels high. 58% of your magnesium requirement, essential for muscle and nerve function. 89% of the daily copper intake to support the immune system. And a whopping 98% of manganese, which helps fight inflammation. But wait, don't rush to eat 100 grams daily. Moderation is the key. Experts recommend 30 to 60 grams per week to enjoy these benefits without overdoing it. Health benefits you can't ignore. 1. Antioxidant powerhouse. Dark chocolate is loaded with powerful antioxidants like flavonols and polyphenols, which help improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, keep your arteries healthy and happy. 2. Improves cholesterol levels. Reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, which clogs arteries. Boosts high HDL, good cholesterol, to support a healthy heart. 3. Protects your heart. Studies show that eating chocolate 2 to 3 times a week can lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases by up to 20%. Isn't that a delicious way to take care of your heart? 4. Skin care from within. The antioxidants in dark chocolate protect your skin from UV damage, keep it hydrated, and maintain elasticity. Glow naturally with your favorite treat. 5. Brain booster. Want better memory, faster learning, and a sharper mind? Dark chocolate helps improve brain function and may even reduce the risk of dementia as you age. Quick tips for eating chocolate. Choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa for maximum benefits. Avoid milk chocolates with high sugar content. Stick to small portions. Moderation is key. Chocolate isn't just a dessert, it's a health-enhancing superfood when enjoyed responsibly. From your heart to your brain, it benefits your entire body. So, what are you waiting for? Treat yourself to some dark chocolate this week and let us know in the comments how you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your health expert for more health tips. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. See you next time. Stay healthy and stay happy.